Collins Road. Bill
This
Collins.
is Warren and Cook.
Bill Collins Road.
Right yonder.
So what?
Do you want to be on there?
Yeah, I'll get you.
Okay. He said he'd get you down the road there a while ago. And I said, there's Scott. Scott, I have all chicken.
Well, it's now balmy. We got a crew over Bill Collins Road.
Yeah, is it damage over there?
That's what I hear, but I haven't seen it because I've been with you.
Okay, through the stop sign yonder, go down the hill, and that first left, go around it.